This is Fall 2 Reporting Certification. Today we'll go over submission requirements, certification areas, and reports. All of our trainings are designed with a target audience in mind, and for this particular training, we are focusing on those data coordinators, those who submit data to CALPADS on a routine basis, and they are most likely the primary contact for CALPADS for their LEA. This training also is for new users to CALPADS. If you've never submitted Fall 2, or maybe perhaps you've only done it once before, this training is also for you. There is an advanced version of this training for those who are experienced that only want updates. It's less comprehensive, more to the point, focused on changes. Along with a target audience, we also have a CALPADS training roadmap. Everything to the left of the data collections are prerequisite courses. You should be familiar with this information through practice, or you should have taken these trainings. This is Fall 2 reporting certification. And so things like submission data population, CALPADS basics, the system overview, you should be well abreast of that information. All the trainings build on each other from introduction, basics, data population, and data collections. Skill building is separate, and we are designing those trainings as we go. All of our trainings also come with objectives. All right, so we would like for you to be able to identify the source systems and connect data with stakeholders across the ecosystem, build a coalition to form alliances that exhibit collective adaptive intelligence. We'd also like for you to be able to transform data so that it conforms to the standards and requirements so that you can submit it. Through this process, which is data curation, you would be gathering, inventory, and organizing data and validating those data through the submission. You must be able to resolve certification errors using a systematic approach and analytical mindfulness. This would be an example of critical thinking. This is probably the single most important skill when doing CALPADS work, submitting data to CALPADS, reviewing CALPADS reports. Ultimately, you'll be expected to lead the submission and the approval process to develop local procedures for your LEA. All CALPADS coordinators eventually become data leaders. You have access to all the information that's coming into CALPADS. You must draw connections to the data as it exits CALPADS and is used. You will be in prime position to connect stakeholders and evaluate the data for accuracy. So here we have the agenda. We'll start with an overview, then we'll go to the details about the submission. We'll demonstrate the certification process, in particular certification validations. Then we'll cover the reports through a review, and we'll conclude with a wrap-up.